Thump. A low, dull sound from a heavy object hitting something. He thumped his fist on the table. I heard a thump as the book hit the floor. Ping. A sharp, high-pitched sound. The microwave pinged when the food was ready. I heard the ping of a notification on my phone. Plop. A soft sound made by something dropping into water. A stone plopped into the pond. I heard the plop of a raindrop on the roof. Rustle. A soft sound made by things rubbing together. The leaves rustled in the wind. She rustled the papers on the desk. Crash. A loud, sudden noise from a violent impact. The vase fell with a crash. We heard a crash from the car accident. Pop. A sharp, explosive sound. The balloon popped when it touched the grass. I heard the pop of a soda can opening. Ring. Meaning, a clear, resonant sound like a bell. The phone started to ring loudly. I heard the ring of the church bells. Roar. A deep, loud, and continuous noise. The lion let out a mighty roar. The crowd roared with excitement. Hiss. A sharp sound like air escaping. The snake hissed at us. Steam hissed from the boiling pot. Whistle. A high-pitched sound made by forcing air. He whistled his favorite tune. I heard the whistle of the train approaching. Chirp. A short, high-pitched sound made by birds or insects. The birds chirped early in the morning. I heard a cricket chirping outside. Thud. A dull sound caused by a heavy object hitting something. The book fell to the ground with a thud. She heard a thud on the roof. Boom. A loud, deep, resonant sound. The cannon went off with a boom. Thunder boomed in the distance. Sizzle. A hissing sound made by frying. The bacon sizzled in the pan. I heard the sizzle of hot oil. Snap. A sharp cracking sound. The twig snapped under his foot. She snapped her fingers to get my attention. Rattle. A series of short, sharp sounds. The wind rattled the windows. The dice rattled in the cup. Tick. Meaning, a light, regular clicking sound. The clock ticks loudly at night. I heard a tick as the timer started.